Hello everyone, I am Devaki, Assistant Professor working in K.S. Rangasamy College of Technology in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. Today we are going to learn about VoIP technologies. VoIP technology is a voice over internet protocol that enables one to make and receive calls through internet instead of using PSTN lines. VoIP is a packetization and transport of PSTN audio over an internet protocol network. It uses internet as connectivity media to transfer call between computer to computer like Skype, Teams, software, and phone to phone like analog phone, IP phone, computer to phone. It allows two-way voice transmission over broadband connections. It is also called as IP telephony or internet telephony, voice over broadband telephony. Difference between PSTN and Internet Protocol. Voice network uses circuit switching. In Internet Protocol, data networks uses packet switching. In PSTN, dedicated path between caller and receiver. Bandwidth reserved in advance. Cost is based on the distance and the time. In Internet Protocol, no dedicated path between sender and receiver. It acquires and requires bandwidth. Cost is not based on the distance and time. There are two types, circuit switched networks and packet switched networks. Circuit switched networks is communication method where a dedicated communication path or circuit is established between two devices before data transmission begins. The circuit remains dedicated to the communication for the duration of the session, and no other devices can use it while the session is in progress. Circuit switching is commonly used in voice communication and some types of data communications. Uh, Packet switching. Packet switching is communication method where the data is divided into smaller units called packets and transmitted over the network. Each packet consists the source and the destination address as well as the other information needed for routing. The packets may take different paths to reach their destination, and they may be transmitted out of order or delayed due to the network congestion. There are advantages and disadvantages in both the switching techniques. Working of VoIP technology. VoIP services converts your voice into digital signals that travels over the internet. If you are calling a regular phone number, the signal is converted to a regular telephone signal before it reaches the destination. VoIP can allow you to make a call directly from a computer, a special VoIP phone or a traditional phone connected to the special adapter. In addition, wireless hotspots in locations such as airports, parks and cafes allows you to connect the internet and may enable you to use VoIP service wirelessly. It compresses the voice and encapsulation. The digitized voice is wrapped in an IP packet. Routing. The voice packet is routed through the network to its final destination. Components of VoIP network: VoIP gateway, VoIP codecs and VoIP protocols. VoIP gateway is a hardware device designed to convert telephonic conversations from different sources into voice over IP. The telephone calls to be transmitted over the IP networks by converting voice signals into IP packets and transmitting them over the network. It is important to note that the device can process both the ways, so converting VoIP traffic into any other telephony signal is possible. VoIP codecs. Computer programs that compress analog audio signals into digital signals. These signals are transmitted over the internet and decompressed back into their original analog form at the receiver end. VoIP codecs determine the quality of compression and the bandwidth of the internet phone calls depending on their type. The hardware and the devices used have an effect on how well the codecs works. VoIP protocol. A phone call on an ordinary digital phone network under VoIP network is made of media signals and control signals. The voice conversation is the media stream. Dial tone and ringing tones are an indication that call control process is occurring. Call control is responsible for setting up the call, finding the peer, negotiating code protocols, making the connection, sending the call. Gateway control responsible for control signals between VoIP gateways rather than between endpoints phones. These gateways negotiate VoIP traffic on behalf of the phones. This is the packet transferring between phone 1 to phone 2 through the IP. This is the SIP protocol, Session Initiation Protocol server. Thank you.